Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Uniek Makes by Cristina. Well, we finally did it. We are at day 13 of the 13 days of Craftoween from Spellbinders. I really did enjoy working with all the dies in this kit, and for all the cuteness that it has in it, and all the ways that you could use it, not only just for card making, but you could use it for embellishments, journaling, scrapbooking, any kind of paper crafting, anything. So this was a well worth kit to get. So I was happy that I was able to purchase it. So with that said, let's go ahead and look at number 13. Now here goes day 13. Again, another stunning image on the front cover. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh wow, look at this one. So this one we have the little coffin with the little hand, and it does have a sentiment. And this also got, this is actually pretty simple, not too many dies or little intricate dies. So let me show you what I created before I show you the pieces. This is the die that I created. This one I really like. So I made it again. All my cards were simple, made it easy to work with. Yeah, this one I did a purple and black. I love those colors together. But this one I love it. I do love it. So we are going to recreate this card right here. So let me show you the little pieces and the die cuts that you do, which aren't many. So it does come with the wooden panel for the coffin, which is that, and look at the, let me see this side. Look at the wooden coffin. That's actually real nice. So it's embossed, and then you do got the outer piece, which is that black one right here, and then you got the inner piece, which I cut out of purple glitter, which is the inner one there. And then you do get your skull, your little crossbone, and then you get 2 extra bones, plus you get his hand like Dracula's coming out. So let me put this away. We'll start putting our stuff together. So this one is pretty simple. All we're going to do is put this part here together for the most part, and then we'll start assembling our card. So we're going to put the coffin background together first. Do move it around, just make sure it's evenly spaced. That's pretty much it. So everything else we'll do the card together, put the card assembled together, and then we'll put everything on top. So I have 2 pieces. I got a vintage style paper, which I did get from Joann's, and a black cardstock plus a white base. The first thing we will glue is the background, the black one. go ahead and put it down. Okay, and now we'll do the next one. Put that down. Okay. Now doing this kind of takes, it doesn't take too long to get it, but I remember in the beginning it took me a minute just to get this down kind of close to make it look even. Alright, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and assemble our coffin. I always like to place it to how I want to put it in it first. Yeah. I want to put it so it's a little open. I think that's where I want to place it. Go ahead and glue that first down. Okay, so I want to put his hand, because you gotta remember he got a hand. He's opening the door. Okay. I'm going to get a little bit of foam so I can prop this part up. I want to keep it right there. Glue the foam on there. Let me give that a minute. I'm going to go ahead and cut the sentiment first. For a minute, I thought I put that in the wrong spot, but let me cut the sentiment. Okay, now we'll go ahead and take this out. Okay, we want it a little bit open. So you like opening a casket. Right, now let's go ahead and assemble the skull. We're gonna put the skull on there. Okay, and get the crossbones. About that. So we just get our extra bones, and I'm gonna put those in a corner like I did with the first one. This one over here first. Okay, and then we'll get the second one. That down. Okay. Now I'll get some foam to prop that up. Okay. And then you could add jemmies if you want. This one will leave out the jemmies. But here is our finished card. Look how it came out. I love it. I love everything about it. So yeah, so like I said, there's a lot of ways you can make your cards. There's a lot of ways. There's a whole bunch of possibilities to make one simple die into thousands of ways. And yeah, there are, like on YouTube, there are a lot of people that did their own cards, you know, so make sure you check those out. I'll have my playlist below also, so you can check out 1 through 13. I had lots of fun doing this kit. I can't wait till next year. I'm already thinking about next year's kit, but yeah, I had a lot of fun with this. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and hit that like. Comment below. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.